workbook page 76. My family and me. My family and me. Key vocabulary: achieve, affiliate, balance, dream, gymnastics, Olympics, talk, health, food, school studies, busy life. Structures: Suzanne, present circle, plus subject, can, may, plus infinitive. For example, I go to school so that I can learn, or I may learn. So that for past simple plus subject could or might plus infinitive. For example, I went to school so that I could learn.